Hey guys, what's up? Pasay Baller here. Dito po ngayon tayo sa PBA predictions natin for October 2, 2022, Sunday edition. Okay, so unahin natin syempre yung first game. That will be at 4:30 p.m. sa Smart Araneta Coliseum. This will be the game between Terra Firma with the record of 0 wins and 2 losses going up against Rain or Shine Elasto Painters na merong record ng 1-1. Again, inaanyayahan ko dyan yung mga hindi pa nakakapag-subscribe sa YouTube account natin, Pasay Baller. Pakiclick lang po yung subscribe button sa baba. Sama nyo na yung bell logo para automatic pag meron tayong bagong video, makaka-receive kayo ng notification. So we do NBA, PBA, Eurobasket, sometimes we also do NFL, MLB, sometimes even volleyball and hockey. Okay, basta meron lang pong oras. Pasensya na ako, medyo late ulit dahil marami lang pong problema at inaasikaso dito sa bahay sobra. Okay? Alright, so let's make this one quick. Just like what I was saying, tong Terra Firma, nakadalawang laro na sila pero wala pa na silang panalo. Their first loss was against Converge. They lost by 14. Yung sunod naman, they lost to Magnolia by 8 points. So, on the average, nasa 11 points yung ang lamang ng kanilang kalaban. Yung Rain or Shine naman, galing silang panalo against Ginebra. Tinambakan nila sobra yung Ginebra. Nobody saw that coming. Lalo na sobrang laki nung lamang. Parang 20 plus. Umabot ba ng 30? Basta sobrang laki, di ba? Parang sobrang kalawang ng Ginebra noon and all that. At sobrang ganda naman talaga ng laro ng Rain or Shine. Now, itong Terra Firma, napakagaling ng import nila in terms of scoring, in terms of dominating the paint. Kasi malaking tao talaga eh. Malaking tao. He knows how to use his body. Problema lang natin dito for Terra Firma is wala siya masyadong katulong. Siyempre, andyan si Aldrich Ramos, andyan si Chongson, pero aside from that, medyo yung iba, hindi ganun kaganda yung kanilang contribution. Si Kahilig, andyan din pala. Medyo gumaganda yung shooting ni Kahilig. Pero it's like, it's not enough for them to get at least one win so far. Diba? Siyempre, yung import nila, wala akong mahihingi pa dyan eh. Laging double-double yan in terms of scoring and rebounding. Pero kulang talaga. Kailangan ng tulong ni Prosper. Itong kalaban naman nila, Rain or Shine, as just like what I was saying, galing sila sa panalo. Tinalo nila ang Ginebra. So, momentum nun. Sobrang booster. Yung panalo na yon, ikaw ba naman talunin mo Ginebra ng ganong paraan? Sobrang laki, sobrang tambak, di ba? That just boosts a lot of your morale, of your confidence coming into this game. The spread is minus 7.5 given to Rain or Shine Elasto Painters. I just don't have any confidence with Terra Firma right now, lalo na with how the locals are playing. Tapos tong Rain or Shine, galing pang panalo, galing pang tambak. Kung tinambakan nila yung Ginebra, kaya nilang din tambakan tong Terra Firma, di ba? Simple logic, pero again, bilog ang bola. But since this is a prediction, I gotta choose between the two. Mas pipiliin ko ang Rain or Shine because of three reasons at that. Number one, they have confidence and they have the momentum coming onto this game. Number two, they have bigs na pwedeng kumuha kay Prosper. That way, hindi mapagod yung kanilang import sa pagbabantay. At number three, yung Terra Firma, they have very limited support again, yung local nila. At yung Rain or Shine, they play physical. They can actually defend yung mga naiwang kapiranggot at kakonteng locals ng Terra Firma. So my pick on this one would be Rain or Shine Elasto Painters minus 7.5. Again, that's Rain or Shine minus 7.5. Peace out, Pasay love, and God bless.